Women love to beautiful and what they love even more is to beautiful, and for this they need to go shopping, visit beauty salons time to time, but mostly have a place in the bedroom where they can sit down every morning and will give their beauty and enhance the beauty. This is where the girl's wooden dressing table design becomes very useful. This piece of bedroom furniture that called dressing table with mirror was created just for the girls who have everything they need: a mirror, a chair, and multiple small dressing table drawers where we can store our makeup product. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Home Decor Ideas. In this video I'm going to show you the latest trending new dressing table design ideas. So watch the full video, and if you like my videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos. The dresser should be one of the most desirable furniture for every woman. The beautiful princess models and actresses appearing in the movies and mobile phones are sitting in the front of dressing table to prepare for the day. This is what we see in the movie related to beauty. The dressing table is a main part of these type of things, and it is girls private area. A variety of skincare products, brushes for various purposes, and some makeup tools are placed on the dressing table. These stern evils may be used anytime, anywhere, day or night. As a corner of the room, it should be clean and tidy. Only then will it feel comfortable, and the shape and size of the dressing table vary, and there are square, rectangular, and even some undesirable shapes. According to different dressing table size have been designed, some suitable for beauty bloggers and some suitable for daily use by young ladies. They can be very feminine or simple and clean. They can be used with tables, lockers, mirrors, and stools, or they can be used alone. Every woman wants to have a dressing table. Some people already have an answer in their minds and have identified a certain style. Some people do not yet know which style suits their style. Maybe your brain will pop up some ideas and inspiration. Everyone's feeling is that the diversity of dressing table design is really moving. However, when you look for a dresser that suits you and cosmetic but also a piece of ornament added to the interior, this is why I suggest you to watch the full video. We will provide all possible appearance and ideas in this video, and then find something for your room for you. If you love makeup, then you need a makeup dresser with a mirror attached, such as dressing table can make your makeup look more natural and provide you with a comfortable makeup place. You can create makeup areas that suit your style. If you want to buy a dressing table or want to mess up the used dressing table again, or design a dressing table for others, you can inspired for our ideas. The modern dressing table mirror design comes with a beveled glass that is safe for use and also gives a shine to the mirror. The best dressing table with mirror come with high quality premium glass from branded companies. The thickness of the mirror is good and this lasts a very long time. You can have different style in the dressing table mirror design, like modern, traditional, etc., and also ones with color like silver, gold, brown, and many others. Choosing the right dressing table mirror can be a tough task, but with our help you can make the right choice. Look at the following design, which are very suitable and trending design. When buying the best dressing table mirror, you need to check the quality of the mirror. The thickness of the mirror is one of knowing if the quality is good. The latest design of dressing table with mirror has all the right dimensions and thickness. You also need to check the frame quality of the mirror and the clamps that are used to hang the new dressing table with mirror can be quite made of wood, so the quality of the wood is also to be checked. Drivers in the table should be easy to handle and move freely. Here is a beautiful dressing table mirror that has a full length mirror and also shelves. The dressing table shelves are made from particle board and so they are durable. You can even hang items from the hooks and keep bangles in place with the bangle holder. I hope that you like my ideas. If you like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and also press on bell icon so that whenever I upload a video you will get notification. I am very thankful all of you who watch the full video because it is a great sport for me. If you watch my video at the very end, it will increase the value of my YouTube channel on YouTube. I am very thankful to all of you. Thanks again.